Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. As you can see from the title, I've got a home bargains haul for you, so let's get straight on. So the first item that I picked up was this massive bag of marshmallows, and they are the giant ones. So we are planning on having a fire pit in the back garden, and I cannot have a fire pit without marshmallows. I've actually never tried them, so I'm really intrigued to do it, and I just want to put them between chocolate biscuits. Oh, I just think that'd be amazing. So yeah, I picked those up, and hopefully they'll be delicious. But to be fair, even if we don't put them on the barbecue or the fire pit or anything, I will just eat these. I do love marshmallows. I swear at one point you could only get massive marshmallows from Costco, so I was so happy to see them in home bargains. The next item that I picked up was this cedarwood and vanilla Fabulosa. This is a powerful lime scale remover. Hopefully, I do struggle a little bit with lime scale around the taps. I think it's because we're in a hard water area. Whoa, that's strong. Yeah, it's nice. It's strong, but it is very nice. Do you know what? I've never smelled a lime scale remover smell that nice before. And to be honest, I probably shouldn't get so close when sniffing cleaning products. But yeah, the packaging is absolutely lovely as well. I kind of just love the white bottle with the floral label. How pretty is that for 99p? And then talking of Fabulosa, I did also pick up this shimmering shower. This one is in the spring fresh scent. Totally drawn in by this packaging as well. Again, just so pretty with the floral. That's very, oh, that kind of smells like, that smells like a cleaning product from when I was younger, but it smells lemony if anything. I wouldn't say that's the best smelling cleaning product, but the packaging is very, very nice. And yeah, this hopefully, it says effective shower cleaning. I'm hoping this will just get rid of those smears. Yeah, it says it's going to get rid of grime, soap scum and lime scale and heavy watermarks. And our shower screen is just awful for getting watermarks on it, because there's the shower and also the hand towel on the other side, so literally both sides are just covered in marks. So yeah, hopefully that'll work. That was 99p. I then picked up this huge candle in sweet berries and honey blossom. It's in this really purpley lilac-y shade, and it's got all strawberries on at the front. I probably wouldn't have gone for this colour of candle, but it was the only big candle that Home Bargains have, and I get through so many candles with burning them whilst I work, so I just wanted to give this one a go. Also, the pink one that I had last time from Home Bargains, the smell was really strong, and I always say with Whitford & Co, although they smell nice, like when you smell them with the lid off in the shop, when you burn them, they're not necessarily very strong. But I have to admit, the last one I had was super strong, and this one, even just taking the lid off, I can smell it from here, and it's just a really sweet, lovely kind of spring scent. So that'll be burning away as I'm working, and I just love that. And yeah, burns up to 95 hours, and I kind of work out that it's going to be probably about 2 weeks of burn time whilst I'm working, so that's perfect. And then I also randomly for me picked up some tomato feed. You guys will know if you've watched my videos, I am going to try and grow some tomatoes this year. So they had this one which was a little bit cheaper. I think this was $1.99, and they also had the tomato right. So I just went for this one, assuming that it would do the same job but just not be branded. Let me know if it makes a difference with gardening stuff, whether I need to actually go for the branded stuff rather than the unbranded. But yeah, apparently get 20% extra. I don't know how expensive this is for tomato feed, whether it's cheap or expensive. I'm only just getting into gardening, so I'm gonna give it a go. And then along the same lines as gardening, we have a patio that's made out of brick. What do you call it? It's a brick patio, is that what you call it? You can tell I'm just terrible with gardening stuff, but anyway, I did get some weed oil. This is the Root Kill Plus. I do find weed oil is good for getting roots. Ours is terrible, it gets absolutely covered. Also got a weed brush, thanks to Michelle Osgood. If you watch her channel, I saw it on there and I'd never seen them before. Literally changed my life. It was so much quicker to de-weed with that on our style of patio. This was $2.99, and yeah, if we get any that grow back, I'll just obviously give them a spritz and then get them out. They had literally the most gorgeous bedding in. I couldn't resist this one for my little girl. So it's got rainbows and unicorns, and it's this really gorgeous pale pink, and we're going to put some curtains in her bedroom that are going to be a very similar colour to this. This set is a single and includes a pillowcase and a duvet cover. I believe this was $7.99. So I picked up some of the £5 bedding for kids from B&M, and although it kind of feels nice, it's like a silky-ish material. What I've been finding is it kind of it it doesn't hold the duvet, so the duvet gets all like creased within the bedding, and it's so annoying because you have to keep like going up to straighten it out. So I think this one is going to become her like main bed set, and then the other ones will be used like as and when this one's in the wash. I just looked down in the bag and I completely forgot that I bought this for Dottie. It's just this pig rope toy, again with the pig. Oh, it's squeaky as well, sorry if you've got dogs, I won't squeak it. But yeah, I thought with it being rope, it seems quite sturdy. I mean, she'll definitely get into the head quite quickly because she's one of those dogs that likes to tear things up, and even, you know, she takes all the stuffing out and then like just carries around the toy when it's all empty. I feel like, you know, she goes into like hunter mode, I think, when she gets a toy. But yeah, hopefully this one will last a little bit longer, and it was only £2.99 as well. I thought that was quite good for £2.99. I mean, I go into our like local pet shops and they're like £5.99, and I just know they won't last, so I'm not willing to spend loads of money on dog toys. Then I did get 3 packs of, well actually I think I got 4 packs, I think I'm using one. I did just get some of these sensitive pure baby wipes. I mean, they're just pretty standard when you've got a baby or a toddler, aren't they? They're 49p in Home Bargains. I think it does work out slightly cheaper if you get like the bulk boxes of wipe from like Lidl or Aldi. They're really good value, but we was just running low and I thought, oh, I'm in there anyway, I might as well just pick some up. I then just got a basic, which is this white fitted sheet. This is for a single and it was about £4.49 I think, and this is just for my daughter's bed. She just really needs some new sheets. In fact, we've only got one single sheet, so it means when we wash, well, take her bedding off, we have to wash it, dry it, put it back on all in the same day, and just sometimes you don't have time for that. So yeah, this is just to have as a spare. I thought for £4.49 that was pretty good, and it does look quite nice. I've never actually had this home collections from Home Bargains before. I'm a little bit funny actually about sheets being too thin, so let's give it a test. So I can't get into it fully without taking it all out of the packaging, but it actually just feels quite nice. I normally get my bedding from Primark. I actually find their bedding really good and it washes really well. And then to match those, I did also get the pillowcases, because again, we've only got one pillowcase for her room, so you can't, I just feel like sometimes you can't have enough bedding. And these pillowcases were £3.99. Oh, I picked up some of these Galaxy bars. So this is the smooth milk one, and then this is the cookie crumble. These are actually really good value. They're 95p each. I know loads of people's favourite chocolate is Galaxy, so definitely go and check out Home Bargains. You know, I was just randomly thinking about this product. I used to have these when I was younger and I didn't think they did them anymore, but I was thinking they'd be so handy for my daughter. And they're these microwave pastas, and they cook in 1 minute and 15 seconds. So I got 4 bags of those and they were £1 each. So yeah, of course it's more expensive than if you bought dried pasta, but sometimes she'll wake up from her like mid-afternoon, well, not even mid-afternoon, it's literally a noon nap. So sometimes she'll sleep before lunch and sometimes she'll sleep after, but I find if she sleeps before lunch she wakes up really groggy because she's so hungry as well. So do you know, it's just those times where you just like need something so quickly. So I just grabbed some of these, and what I have to do is pop them in the microwave and then stir some sauce in, and yeah, they're ready to go. So perfect. Oh, and you guys know my daughter is obsessed with dried fruit. These are the strawberry yogurt flakes. These are 99p for a pack of 5. These are actually really good because the bare ones in Morrison's are like £2 for a pack of 5, which is quite expensive. So yeah, always get these sort of things when I'm in like Home Bargains, Poundland, B&M. And then talking of staples, of course, got my Father One brownies. I think they were £1.25 or £1.50. I feel like they've gone slightly up in price, but then I did see them in Morrison's for like £3 the other day. I was like, that's crazy. But I've noticed Home Bargains are doing like their own branded. The box is a bit battered, but these are 89p. How many do you get in here? Well, you get 5 in here, you get 4 in here. Just like, that pretty much works out the same then. They've conned me because I thought they were cheaper. I'll have to work it out, but yeah, they're doing their own anyway if they keep going up in price. And then I desperately needed some exfoliating mitts. It is now fake tanning season for me. April till October is tanning season. But yeah, they didn't have the normal glove mitts in, so I ended up getting these ones, which I'm not really a fan that they're white because they're going to look gross after the first like use, aren't they? These were £2.99. Apparently made with bamboo, which seems really really nice, and they're not quite as harsh as the other ones, so probably a little bit nicer on the skin, but I'm just hoping these will actually get the tan off. I do love that packaging though, doesn't that look fancy? And that was it for this video. I got to the bottom of the bag and I didn't realise I'd finished. But yeah, that is it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you are on Instagram, don't forget to go and check me out over there as well. So I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.